Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Tricia here. I thank you for coming back to listen to my videos, and also for the new people that are visiting. Thank you for coming and checking out my channel. There's several videos here that'll help you with starting a home care agency, or you just want to be here just to learn a little bit and not really opening an agency, or maybe you're just thinking about it. But I ask you, if you do like it, to kindly like and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you would click the notification bell if you want to be notified of any other videos that I post. So today, I want to talk about something that's very sensitive, and it affects just about anyone that's in caregiving. Okay, so if you're starting a home care agency, you have to take in consideration that you're going to be taking care of people from diverse cultures. Okay, and we have to think about cultural sensitivity. Okay, because everyone has a different culture, a different way of doing things in different cultures, right? So if you've never thought about this before, just think about your own family, your whole family, and how it's set up. Okay, some people come from, different regions, and they all have different ideals. They may have different religions. They may have different foods that they eat. They may have ways that they like to bathe. They may be more private. Some people are more open. There's different things that we have to think about it culturally, how everyone differs. Okay, so that's what I want to go through today. So I will be using some bullet points for myself to just prompt me. Okay, so first of all, we have to respect diversity. That's the first thing. We have to think about how we would feel putting ourselves in a situation if someone's coming into our personal space, which is in our home. Okay, how you have things are. Some people, like at my house, I don't like anyone to wear shoes coming in my home. So yes, you can provide, or the caregivers can provide, or have a pair of shoe covers to walk in the house, for instance. Because some cultures don't allow shoes at the home. You see, as soon as you walk in the door, you see a pile of shoes lined up, because they don't want shoes brought, like the dirt from outside, coming into their homes. So they either take them off, or they actually will offer you like a shoe cover, so you can bring your own shoe covers. So you think about it, as a home care agency owner, that is something that up front we have to be observant when we're going to do, or having our nurses or whoever's doing the first assessment to find out if this client is a right fit for our company. You have to go out and see, like, be observant of everything. And one of those things is person's culture. Even on your intake form, you can put down, you can ask them, is there any special religion or any special things that they want us to consider when coming in, or sending our caregivers out to care for a particular client. Is there anything we must consider going into a client's home? All right, there may be certain foods that they just don't eat, and we have to just kind of think about our own cultural identity. We may impose our own beliefs onto someone else, and we don't want to do that, because we wouldn't want that done to us. Okay, so you have to be respectful of someone's culture, religion, sexual orientation, gender. All those things all come into play. So you have to really think about that, so you don't disrespect someone, because you're going into their personal space. It's very intimate what we do as caregivers. So we have to really, really think about that and be sensitive to someone. Some cultures may not even cry. Okay, some cultures cry a lot. Some people pray different times of the day, and we have to respect those things. Okay, I just want to point those things out to you, that you need to really think about cultural sensitivity, cultural diversity, how to communicate effectively with people of different cultures. Suppose you have a a client that speaks a different language, but they still need care. How do you handle that? That may be something you may have to put into an individualized care plan for that client, because they may speak, for instance, I'm not pointing out, but say they speak Spanish and you speak English, or your caregiver speaks English and does not really understand Spanish. Do you offer a translator? Is there someone in the home that speaks English as well, so you can understand how to best care for this client? Can you reach out to them during the day when your caregiver is there? Can the caregiver reach out to that person to ask a question to make sure that they're providing the care that is supposed to be given effectively? Okay? You have to think about all these things to best care for that client and make the care plan individualized to that particular client. Okay? And make sure that you're not imposing your own thoughts and beliefs onto that client. Okay? And make sure that you're respecting them altogether. All right? And I hope this has helped you to better understand how to care for a caregiver, to care for someone out in the field also. And I hope that this will open up and broaden your thoughts and help you to provide the care that you need to provide for people out there. So if there's any questions or anything, you can leave a comment down below. I would love to interact with you. If you have a question or something, if you want to make a comment only, if you like the video, any suggestion that you may have, I'm open to it. All right, just reach out to me down below. All right, and take care now. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, like and subscribe. Thank you. Take care now. Bye-bye.